Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. And today's adventure, we're hitting the Legacy Trail in Sarasota, Florida. We're going to head down towards Venice, Florida. It's about an 18-mile one-way ride. We're going to see how these bikes hold up. We got a small group of people with us today. We're going to have a good time. So hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and here we go. That's Stacy. I'm Richard.
Hi, Richard.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, same here.
I like it.
Oh,
I like color on the bikes.
This is a new one.
Is it?
I took my other one in just to get a brake change, and I walked out with this one. So
Isn't that funny how that works?
I better learn how to change my own.
Electric bike company, and that's one of the nice things about them because I mean, you can customize everything on it.
Yes,
And that's what's great.
When I first got it brand new, they had already replaced the rear hub on it.
Really?
Yes, it's making a lot of noise.
Some of them do, but you know, some of the cheaper ones make a lot of noise.
Electric bike company bikes?
Yes. Is that sharp?
Beautiful, man.
That is sharp.
You custom?
Yeah. That's the ones that Jet has. Those.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll look them up.
I got that bike up at 28 miles an hour on my speedsters. I was like, holy.
That one does 25. This one tops out at 25. The Basalt does 28. You can pedal up to like 32 or something.
Yeah, yeah.
You know.
1,500 watts, 1,500 watts, or 1,000 in the front, 1,000 in the back. 2 batteries.
Oh.
It's got a battery here and a battery
That
on the
thing's got a
rack.
screen. I don't know how these guys get away with it though, because law here in the States is $750.
I want to try this puppy out.
You should try it out. Hey, it's got a little bit of kick.
Here we go. Oh, okay.
Hit that throttle.
Oh, it's not in gear. You need to put it in gear.
Is the intensity level on that still up? Does it kick pretty hard when you hit it?
A little bit, but it's not bad.
Yeah.
I'm like, whatever.
I know, time is running out.
I'm sorry?
How many miles did we go? Do you know?
I think it was just 5 so far.
Doesn't feel like it.
I didn't clock it when we started, but based on what I was seeing right now, I think it's 5.
The face. Ah, that was funny.
It's a fun bike, isn't it? That's why it's my favorite. It's just fun. It's smaller, but it's just a lot of fun. Let me check something here real quick for you. Hold on a second. Oh, stay there. Hit those 3 buttons. Yeah.
Listen,
If
watch yourself. I just zipped by you at 24.
Yeah, it maxes out about 24, 25. All right, we can talk all day or we can do a little more riding.
What's your bar at?
It hasn't moved.
So you're
Yeah,
good.
you might be fine. You might be fine. If not, we'll take our belts and we'll tie them together. We'll hook you up and we'll just pull you.
Can I share?
I just did that yesterday to that one. I just put an extension on that one because it was a little too low, and I was leaning forward just a little too much. So now I sit upright.
I got the extension. It's on it. My hands are still numb, so I got to play around with it.
It could be
Does it happen with this bike at all?
This has got 20 miles on it. I'll let you know when we get back. Okay.
All right, so let's roll.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. All right, guys. Okay, guys, we just finished up with our Legacy Trail, and I tell you what, it was a lot of fun, and we did 32.8 miles. Took us, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. We just maintained a pace of about 15 miles an hour or so. We stopped a lot, talked, rested, and just had a good time. We stopped for lunch and had a nice, really nice lunch. And I tell you what, it's just a fun day, meeting new friends out on the trail. Yeah, not much I can say about that. The Hemingway held up pretty well. Got 1 bar left on that after 32.8 miles. So it did pretty well. No issues at all. So yeah, I'm exhausted. And you can see I got some sun today. My body is hot because it's pushing 93 degrees. And we got some humidity going. So yeah, good day today. Hey, that's it for this video. It was a short one, but I just wanted to share with you a little bit about our ride. Let's see, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. And until then, ride safe.